Let's say you just got back the results from your annual employee survey. There were some bright spots and some not so bright spots. But you're a leader. You're a leader that solves issues. And that is why today's 3-minute leadership workout is creating culture action teams. Why is it important to have a culture action team? Well, it's homegrown. They know the culture better than anybody. It's a great way to get your employees engaged in what's going on in the organization. If done right, they become a valuable resource to the senior team. And the bonus is, it's cost effective. Instead of bringing in a bunch of consultants, you hire your employees who you're already paying to solve the issues. And these are issues that employees know best. Just think of it this way. It's basically just a continuous improvement team for culture. So this is your 3-minute leadership workout. The team should consist of 6 to 8 people who are cross-functional in the organization. You don't want it just from one group or another. You want them representative of the group as a whole. You'll need someone from the leadership team to act as a sponsor. This person will help the team navigate up and down and across the organization with relative ease. You're going to want to create a team charter. This will outline the goals and the mission of the team. It'll include things like how long a person will be on the team. What's the confidentiality look like? Once the team's set up, have them start putting a list of issues that they want to tackle right away, okay? Now, what they want to be careful of, and this is pretty typical, is they want to go after the hard issues first. Don't do that. You want to get some wins under your belt first. So go for the low-hanging fruit. Some of the things that we know are out there that if we just kind of go at them a little bit, we can solve them quickly. And that gets some successes and gets them confidence about the team. And keep in mind, the culture action team isn't that far from a continuous improvement team. So there's a lot of literature out there. So that's it. A culture action team, which is just basically a party planning committee on steroids. I hope you find all of these 3-minute leadership workout videos useful. I try to put a lot of information out there, but just in quick snippets, just to be useful to you. If you can get something out of it, that's great. If you like these, hit subscribe. That helps me out the most. And for now, let's get fit.